up guys, Ponchi here, and today I'm going to teach you the simplest beat you could possibly learn on the drums. Now you can use this beat in rock, in funk, soul type stuff like James Brown. You can use this in country. There's all kinds of applications for this beat. Now let's keep it simple, alright? You have your right hand. You're going to be playing the hi-hat with your right hand. This is the hi-hat. I have my left foot on the pedal, so the hi-hat is closed. It's not just open like this, as you might be able to see, but have your foot on the hi-hat pedal, alright? Left hand, you're going to play the snare. That's the one that's in between your legs. Now, your right foot, you're going to use that to play the bass drum. Now, you can't see the bass drum in the video, but you can see my leg going up and down. Okay, so again, left hand hi-hat, right hand hi-hat, left hand snare drum, left foot hi-hat, just sitting there on the pedal, right foot bass drum, alright? Now, to learn this beat, you're going to have to count. Hopefully you can count to 4, not saying, yeah, let's just skip over that. Okay, count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as fast as you want to go, or as slow as you want to go. Let's start slow for now. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 with your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, your left hand, you're going to do the snare on the 2 and the 4 only. So it'll be like this. And then your right foot, you're going to do on the 1 and the 3 only. So it'll be like this. This is the whole beat all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'll play it for you, just the snare and the bass drum, so you can hear that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then again, the hi-hat is every beat. You're playing the hi-hat on every beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Once you get that down, you can speed it up. You can add more notes. You can play it faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can add more notes. 1, you can add more notes in the bass drum. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That's it. That is the simplest beat you could possibly learn on the drums. Again, you can play that in any styles. If you have more questions, leave a comment below. Please like and subscribe if I earned it. And stay tuned for more drum videos. I will be doing more drum tutorials on all kinds of different things, like simple things like how to hold your stick, different styles of beats, and all kinds of stuff like that. Thanks again. See you next time.